Can't install virtual interpreter in PyCharm and Linux. When I try to add virtualenv as an interpreter in PyCharm community January 2, 2018 in Ubuntu 18.04, I get the following error. Module no found error, no module named distools.core. How can I solve this?
I had to install it. This was fresh Ubuntu 18.04 install, obviously, without this needed package. After that I restarted PyCharm and creating virtual project interpreter was successful.
If at Havoyat's answer did not work, it did not work for me, then try this. Run this command and you should be able to install the packaging tools in PyCharm. It's Python 3 pip, not Python pip if you are using the Python 3 interpreter. This URL.
Neither at Havoyat and at Hercule worked for me since I had already installed those packages. Uninstalling and reinstalling didn't solve the issue as well. I just upgraded my system to Ubuntu 19.10 and I noticed that they had upgraded the Python interpreter to 3.7. PyCharm however was generating the venv interpreter base to its previous one, Python 3.6. By changing the base interpreter from new interpreter block, I solved this issue.
Python on Chromebook, Atom and GT. If you are having issues, then follow the suggestion above. Running. Sudo apt install Python 3 pip. Then you can install ipykernel by running Python and ipykernel install user.